Alright members, welcome back to Table Talks. We are still for biology and our main focus for now, let's put it at types of fatty acids. Types of fatty acids. And we're going to say there are two types of fatty acids as earlier discussed. The first two, namely, the first category which you are seeing here is saturated fatty acids. So saturated fatty acids contain only single bonds between the carbon atoms. The carbon atoms. So our example is stearic acid. We're going to go back and see when it forms a fatty acid, when it forms a triglyceride, which name shall we give it? That is it. So they contain maximum number of hydrogen atoms. That's why we said even they are not reactive as such. So number two are the unsaturated fatty acids. The unsaturated fatty acids contain at least one or more double bonds in the carbonyl skeleton. So in their carbonyl skeleton, there is a double bond. We can see it here. So such that has one, we shall just call it mono unsaturated fatty acids. If it has more, and you abbreviate it as MUFA, if it has more than one, let's say it has this. So the example is oleic acid, which is mono, and it has this along with the carbon skeleton. It has more than one amino, rather more than one double bond along with the carbon skeleton. So it is like that. That will be named as polyunsaturated fatty acid. Polyunsaturated fatty acid, which we're going to call as PUFA. So let's take one example to see how we can form a triglyceride using these fatty acids. Let's use stearic acid. So let's get some sort of question and see. If we use stearic acid, let's use oleic acid, an unsaturated fatty acid. And we say with the equations show the formation of triolin fat, triolin oil. So it is called triolin. That means there are 3 oleic acids linked together to a glycerol molecule. So they are forming an oil. They are forming an oil, triolin oil. So how will the formation be? How will the formation be? So if this is the fatty acid glycerol molecule, that's hydrogen, those are hydrogens. Carbon atom must be surrounded by 4. So we shall have one oleic acid here exposing that group here, and another one exposing this hydroxyl group here, and another one exposing the hydroxyl group here. Then, of course, they are showing us that CH2, 7, that's 7, CH2, 7, CH2, 7. Then, what is next? Our double bond group, unsaturated group, then CH2, still 7, CH3. Then here, C, CH, CH2, 7, CH3. The same thing here. CH, CH, CH2, 7, CH3. So how is the triglyceride called triolin now formed? Meaning it consists of 3 oleic acids. So you can now continue and see how the formation is going to be. How is the formation going to be? This is our OH group here. So when condensation takes place, we're going to lose 3 water molecules. The 3 water molecules that are going to be lost, now we are forming the bonds. This group will carry away that and establish an ester bond. This will go with that. This will go with that to form the 3 water molecules. So what will be left behind? It will be this carbon atom plus this oxygen plus that carbon atom and a double bond there. Another one here, single carbon atom, double bond oxygen. Another one here, single carbon atom, double bond what? Oxygen. So we have that. We have that. So it means the others have remained the same. So we still have our hydrogens this way, and we still have our CH2, 7, CH, double bond CH, CH2, 7, CH3, then CH2, 7, CH, double bond, CH, CH2, 7, CH3, still the same thing here, CH2, 7, CH, double bond, CH, bracket CH2, 7, CH3. So what we shall have formed here now is what we are now calling the triolin oil. The triolin oil. which has 3 ester bonds there. So that one is what we call an ester bond. So that oil will have a chemical formula resembling that, and that's the structure of the trioylene oil. So this should not confuse you, the writing here plus the writing this. This is the same as that, so long as the number of carbon atoms have remained the same. So now subsequent, now we shall go and see other related substances to lipids, phospholipids. We look at cholesterol, we look at steroids, then we look at other waxes in our subsequent lessons.